assignments, doubts, exams. We have got you back. EduPlanner make every chapter easy to understand. Stay tuned, learn more, grow with us.
It is given that the heat of vaporization of water at 373 K is 40.7 kilojoule per mole. Find Q, W, del E and del H for the evaporation of 454 grams of water at this temperature at 1 atm. Right. So now we will just find Q first. How we will find? So let us write. First step is we will find moles of water. Moles of water will be what? Mass of water divided by molar mass of water right, and this is actually 454 given to us in problem, that is 454 grams of water. This is divided by 18. 18 is gram per mole, is the molar mass of the water, is equals to 25.22 moles. Right. So now we can say Q is nothing but Q is equals to moles into heat of vaporization. So it was in kilojoule per mole. Right? So this will be given by Q equals to 25.22 into 40.7 kilojoule per mole. So 40.7 kilojoule per mole is given in the problem, that is heat of vaporization. So this will be what? This will give us final answer as 1026.54 kilojoule. Here it is, this is heat, right? And here heat Q is equals to enthalpy, that is del H. This is equals to 1026.56 kilojoule. So this is answer for our first step we have followed. Now we will move forward. So second part we will find work done, that is work W equals to P del V. So P del V is what? P del V is nothing but, this can also be given by PV is equals to nRT here, right? So this is P del V is there. So we will find V because we don't know V here. So that's why from ideal gas equation, right? PV is equals to nRT. Now this will be what? PV, V will be what? V, or you can say del V is given by nRT by P equals to, so here del V equals to N is 25.22 into 0.0821 into T is what? 373 K here, right? So this is divided by whole as 1 atm because pressure is also given to us. Now this come out to be del V equals to 772.31. This is in liters, right? So we have got this. So we can put this value in equation 1. Putting this value in equation 1, we get W equals to P del V. So P is nothing but this is 1 atm and del V is 772.31. This is in liters. So this will give us 772.31. And remember, R is a gas constant, right? R is a gas constant and T is a temperature, N is the number of moles, V is volume and P is pressure. So R is gas constant. You need to remember that is 0.0821, right? So now it will give us 772.31 liter ATM, you can say. This is the unit for the work done. Or you can say so this we have got in liter ATM form, but we want in joules. So this is multiplied with 101.325 joules per liter ATM, right? So this liter ATMs come cut-offs, and we will get 78,254.31075 joules. So it will the joule in kilojoules it will be 78.25 kilojoule. So this is work done, right? Right. So now finally we need to find for the third step. So what we have in the third step, it is in del E is given by Q plus W. So how this came? This is nothing but this is internal change in internal energy. Change in internal energy, right? This is heat. This is work done. So this equation is nothing but this is first law of thermodynamics. Alright. So now further we will solve it. We will get del E equals to Q we have found out, that is, let us see what is the value of del E. Sorry, this is Q. So this will be 1026.54 is the value of Q, and this we will add 78.25. So was it in kilojoule? Yes, it was also in kilojoule. So we can write here simply. So work done we have found out was also in kilojoule, right? So this compositely make as kilojoules, right? So Delhi becomes now, we will just simply add. So this will be 1104.79 kilojoules. So this is our answer to this problem. I hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching.